I think I'm talking about bowling yesterday. Last Monday, I got the highest game this year, and I got a prize, the second prize, and I was given the chair massager, which is very small massager, but you can put on the chairs. So I have a big chairs massage chair, which is very big, so I have to go up to the upstairs. But this small chairs you can put on any chair, and it's very convenient. I think the reason I had a pain on my back, or because of this back trouble, I have hernia, and I have a numb feeling on my left leg from the knee area up to toe, and it's almost over one year. It started Tanabata July 7th, and right now it is not completed, or even worse, and I cannot the final step of the bowling. So I think this second prize, chair massager, a small chair massager, is very good for me. I hope this massaging, or just softening my muscles on the back, I think this is effective for my hernia phenomena or disease. But anyway, yesterday was a very low game, and I have to think about something else, or I have to analyze why my bowling was not so good. And maybe I will start, or I will utilize the Mayumi Yoshida's former, how do you say, former throwing style, or taking the timing style when she took the professional bowling test. I heard she is a very small body, and because of this, the weak throwing is a trouble for her. So she sort of stop on the second step, and then go faster up to the finish step. And because of this timing, she was able to get the professional bowlers test. And right now I think I have the same kind of trouble, slow, because of my numbness of left leg. I have to somehow make my bow stronger than now. Otherwise, no hope. So next time I will try to copy her old style of the walk or approach, or how do you say, the step work. That's all.